Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going to the brand new update that Vehicle Legends have added. So let's break this out. Cars, big stuff coming soon, 13th. 20% more money when driving only this weekend. New deal in the shop. Volt Rapidan. Crosser Pusher 6x6. Opera XF80, Dreadnought E5, new wrap system on the Dreadnought E5, and both trucks. Bolt Cobra remastered, Opera B1 remastered, and Dyne F2 remastered. Arrays fixed, and oh wow, helicopter cameras. Someone can actually make a small little movie kind of thing in Vehicle Legends now. First, let's go to and see the helicopter cameras. Obviously, it doesn't work on pilot seat. Oh, this is how it works. It's basically a camera underneath the jet, like right here somewhere. Okay, now let's check out the other new cars that they have added. Not new helicopters or something. Oh, okay. Here is the McLaren F1 return. Everyone was really excited for this because this was a legendary car that used to be in the game. And it is back. It has returned. For you who are new players, there used to be an F1 in the game. That looked like a real F1, not a remeshed one. But I like this. It's a nice model. It's very even it sounds very good. I'm gonna drive it around after. Then we have the Crosser Pusher, the Ford Raptor. It looks like more of a Baja truck now. It can do more. It looks very nice now. It's got beefy wheels. It's got huge wheels actually. Then the Dreadnought E5, aka Corvette. It actually looks a bit like a C8 from the back. It actually works, unlike the older remesh they did. But the wheel looks so good. I love the wheel design. This should be an optional rim for every car or something. Then they renamed this car into the Volti SUV, not a big deal. Then they have the Dodge Viper, the Bolt Cobra. It looks way better now. It's got that huge V10 in there. It's very nice. Okay, now to the big one. Okay, this is the Crosser Pusher 6x6. It's like a bunch. Like, it's a huge vehicle. When I first bought this, I said to myself, it's not gonna fit anywhere. It doesn't. It's huge. It's like the whole garage is as big as this. Okay, next car we go to the Opera B1, McLaren P1. They made it look like a P1 again. It looks like a real P1 from the back. If I didn't know cars that well, I'd say this is a real P1. Then we have the Dyne F2, also known as the uh, Hennessy Venom GT. It used to be a Hennessy Venom GT. He made it into this very ugly looking car I didn't like. But he changed it back, and I'm very happy for that, because of that. It looks more like a real Hennessy Venom now. Also, I have also noticed the many cars have gone away, are like gone from the game now. Even the $750,000 Ferrari I made a review on. This was the last update's car, just Rimes. But this also. But I'm really it's surprising how they actually added a car that can actually beat the Tesla now. Well, I think everyone knows it as the Richard Hammond crashing car. It's very nice though. I like it. It's got a nice interior. At least, finally, a car worth more than 4 million. That is not as slow as this. Oh, did they buff this? It's better than the Tesla. If you see in stats, it's better in every way. Okay, now let's go for a drive. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but here's the startup. Doesn't that sound amazing? If any of you owns a Porsche that is removed from the game, if you still own it, because there's some chances some people still own the car after it's removed. If you rev it up, it now sounds like this. Okay, let's see another car. Okay, now let's check this thing out. Sounds like the Mustang V8s. Oh, look who's here. My friend Sweet Tooth. If you know me from the Ufer Roblox collab, he was in there. Also, I'm very upset that this car has changed its sound. Okay, back to the 6x6 now. This car is huge. As I was saying, it's almost as long as the garage. Here, look at this. It doesn't fit almost anywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what you can do to this. Okay, so you can go to body modifications. There are many things. You can do the truck bed. I don't know how to unequip it. Light bar. Then there are even front bumpers. This is my favorite, but I haven't seen. Oh, there's even this. I didn't try this. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. There's that. There's this one. There's the stock. It's with the light bar and with a huge snow plow, whatever you call it. There are different types of exhaust: modern exhaust, double exhaust, and stock exhaust. I kept the stock. And hood options: vented hood, intake hood, and stock hood with nothing on it. Roll cage, obviously I need a roll cage. It's huge. We have light bar. That's it for the modifications you can do. What happens if I do? Oh. That doesn't even look that low. Okay, so that's it, what you can do with the mods, but I'm not done yet, because you can do these. There are a bunch of custom wraps he has added for this car, and I love them. They're so cool. You can do flames, stripes. I like the black flame. That's my personal favorite. But you can go for whatever you want here. Doesn't even cost too much, but I'm sure just a starter player or something might cost a lot. And don't forget, these mods aren't just for the 6x6. You can also do them on the normal pusher, not just the 6x6. Now the car that I think everyone was waiting for, the Volt Rapidon. It's faster than the Tesla. It's better than the Tesla. I don't know if it is. We'll have to do a test. I think I'll do a test in my next video of how fast is it. Is it better or is it worse? It feels good. And I'm going to show you the top speed real quick. So I just tested it and it goes 288 miles per hour stock. But I tested the Tesla and it went 282 miles per hour stock. It's less bumpy because in the Tesla I just flip, but in this it stays a bit more smoother. And handling's a bit better, but it's a bit slippery also, just like the Tesla. Remember, they're both electric. This is like based on the Rimac Concept 1, I think. But it's a nice car. It goes very fast. I recommend you buy it if you have 5.3 million.